Today we're out here to join in the festivities of the residents of Moorestown and have some fun, but also to drive home a very critical point, and it comes to the health of women.
I'm here today to support Senator Weinberg and John Corzine, and to get my message out how important mammograms are to women of all ages.
Not only women understand how important this issue is to have available coverage for mammograms, regular mammograms, but the men who love them, their sons, their brothers, their husbands, also understand that this is a tremendously important issue. And for anyone to think that it would be a good idea for insurance companies in this state not to be required to provide mammograms to all women is sadly mistaken.
It wasn't long ago that insurance companies weren't required to provide the health services in the insurance for women for testing of breast cancer, and we do not want to go back in time.
Younger and younger women are getting breast cancers with absolutely no family history, and I think, frankly, that would save the insurance companies money if they could get mammograms early as a preventative measure. And I think it is probably a good idea to have it included in an annual physical.
And I think that we believe that now we have to make sure that all insurance companies, no matter how young or old the women are, provide these services to them.
Lives need to be saved. The governor has been a leader in this area, in this field. He deserves our support. He deserves to be returned to office. I admire him and his support for not only women's health, but all health issues.
I admire her very much. I think she's just one of these women who's down to earth. She thinks about the women's issues, but not only thinks about them, she acts on them, and that's what's very important. I had a friend who just had a baby, and I said to her husband, when is she going to come out of the hospital? And he said, well, I think she's allowed to stay in for 48 hours, and from what I understand, Loretta was a catalyst for making that happen in the legislature, and I think that's really, really important for women.